Hey, whatever I've been up to, nothing much. Just drinking my water, a little wine here and there for the stomach's sake. Sometimes tea, sometimes miso soup, sometimes soy drink. Just minding my business. Chinatown shop because if you go where the cheapest there is, isn't it? 3 pop cup chow for $3.50. Get this up on my house.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Oh, so them noodles there. The noodles are in the like $5. It's kind of expensive still.
帮他同时查一下金袋子的精品小米，1公斤价格，谢谢。
Trying to be me, doing what I gotta do, you know? Yeah, that's some of the fun. So many noodles.
我哋地方合影櫃台而家開住㗎，歡迎大家嚟合影櫃台付款。地方合影出口亦都有啲電子多謝。
Jamaican parents at back to school time.
The shoes and press your uniform. You think I like last year when you're late, what game at the bed? School start back 8. Shut up, man. Yeah, go and put on your clothes, me a cool the tea. If you drink tea, man, in time gas take on up at school. Just move with them something. Sorry, miss, sorry for disturbing. I set out the red carpet for my baby. Hold on, my baby, make me set out the red carpet for you first day at school, my boy. So this is it? We're gonna stop here. Let's take it easy, one day at a time, sweet Jesus. What have you guys been up to?